really like the saying, it's better to have and not need than to need and not have, which is why I was excited to be gifted a new multi-tool. I have lots of different multi-tools with lots of different things on them, things that are included with them, and I like to keep them in places like my car. Like I had a boat for a long time, always kept a multi-tool on the boat. I have a multi-tool in my camping gear. You just never know when you're going to need a screwdriver or a knife or a can opener. So this is an EDC multi-tool, which comes with some pretty impressive packaging actually. It does a lot of really cool things, and look how small this thing is. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand. This is not going to take up a lot of space in your vehicle, in your glove box, in your boat, in your camping gear. There's even a keychain hole on it, so this could be your keychain. You could walk around with a whole bunch of things that you could potentially need right there on your keychain, which I think is awesome. So it has a spinning end so that you can use the flat head, or you spin it and you can get to Phillips head. You can also spin it and get to 2 different size Allen keys or hex keys. It has a little measurement on here so you can measure things. It has a clip so you can clip it onto your belt. It has a knife, it has a bottle opener. But the coolest thing I think that sets this one apart is it has this wrench on the end that is on this arm that is adjustable. So it can fit bolts that size, that size, that size, that size. I think that's really cool. I've never really seen that on any of my other multi-tools at least, but I thought that was one of the really cool features, that you have a multi-sized wrench right here on this tiny little multi-tool that would fit in your pocket. So these things are cool. Like I said, it is better to have and not need than to need and not have. They're very small, very convenient, very easy to take with you places, in stash places, so you're never going to be without a screwdriver or without a knife or without, in this case, a really cool adjustable sized wrench. Very neat. So if you're in the market for a new multi-tool, this is one that I have been playing with and that I am happy with and that I would definitely recommend.